All right, folks, gather round. Let me tell you a tale of my wild ride trying to import a food truck from China. If you're thinking about doing the same, let me save you some headaches and maybe make you laugh along the way. But first, welcome back to all my loyal viewers and subscribers. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more crazy stories. So I'm out here trying to live my best life, dreaming about my own food truck. I think, hey, why not order one from Alibaba? Seems simple enough, right? Wrong. First off, my port, the Port of Buffalo, NY, has more rules than a strict grandma. They need a letter saying my truck's compliant with DOT and EPA standards. Like, okay, cool, no problem. I'll just ask the supplier. How hard can it be? Spoiler, very hard. Very, very hard. I tell my supplier, a lovely-sounding lady from Henan Alchemy Machine Co. Ltd. I'm thinking, they're Alibaba certified 5 stars, I'm in good hands. Right? Wrong again. Halfway through, I drop the bomb about needing these compliance letters. I send links, PDFs, practically a novel on DOT and EPA regulations. She's all, sure, I'll ask and get it done. Okay, feeling good. Hey, while you're enjoying this roller coaster of a story, take a minute to hit that subscribe button or drop a risky business in the comments if you're feeling adventurous. 4 days after she marks my order as shipped, I message her. Now, folks, she uploads a photo of a shipping label for a 010K2 parcel. That's like shipping a sandwich and calling it a food truck. I'm staring at this label like, is this a joke? She's telling me, oh, it's big, not a standard item, details aren't in yet. Yeah, right. Then she sends pictures of this so-called truck. And let me tell you, it's a hot mess. I asked for no cabinets, it's got cabinets. I asked for a steering wheel, no steering wheel. No mirrors either. I'm like, does this thing drive itself? I ask her about the DRT standards and she's like, oh, incomplete picture, I'll send more later. Yeah, sure, John. Next, she hits me with, no one in China knows about these DRT regulations. And I'm over here like, you're supposed to be the expert. She asks me for the DRT link again. I'm like, lady, I sent you a library of links weeks ago. Her response, the link can't be used. I'm thinking, are you trying to download a food truck or something? Then she says, tomorrow I will make it. Excuse me, what? The truck is already marked as shipped and now you're going to make it? Long story short, folks, if you're thinking about importing a food truck from China, maybe think twice, or at least bring a sense of humor. You're gonna need it. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more crazy stories like this one. See you next time.